Yep, that sums up my day. Anybody know where my throttle switch went? Anybody? It's supposed to be right there. Where'd it go?
15 minutes later. Emotional damage.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's getting cold here in Indiana, I'll be honest with you. But today, we got a few things to get ready still to start plowing snow. So one of those things being is I'm gonna take the wheels and tires off my four-wheeler, the 32s and the 18s, and I'm gonna throw the stocks back on because I think just for safety measures and just for extra equipment and extra reassurance, we're gonna throw the plow back on the four-wheeler. Hopefully this goes well because we haven't had this plow on the four-wheeler literally. We had it on for, I wanna say like a year. Like one snow season, and we used it, and then my dad used a winch to do something and broke the winch, and then it hasn't had a winch that worked on it literally until I put the one on it that I did. Yeah, so this is like the only time that we can actually use this snow plow again because we broke it, or Dad broke the winch on it. So we're gonna get this snow plow all hooked up, or at least taken out to my grandma's so I can mount it up and see how well it works, because I do have that 2-inch bracket lift on, so that 2-inch bracket lift might make the angles just where it's kind of funky and it might not work as well as it did. I don't know. This is something we'll just have to figure out as we go. Also, just kind of foreshadowing, I do have some big plans. Right here in this brown shed, right here back in this corner, there's something pretty cool back there that's literally sat there for, oh God, years. My dad's parked it there and it hasn't left since. So here in the next couple of videos, I'm probably gonna try to get all the crap out of that shed just so I can unpack whatever's back there. It's pretty cool. I'm sure it's probably pretty nasty at this point, but you know, it's a build that I think would be super cool for the channel, and if I can somehow get some sort of content out of it and get that thing started, I think it would be super cool. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell. That way you guys know when I'm posting, because that one's gonna be a really cool video. I just know it will. So I'm gonna get this snowplow for the four-wheeler on a trailer, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, guys, we're gonna start working on this plow. I wanna go see if my four-wheeler is even gonna start. Everything's not starting for me today. Truck won't start. I mean, that's really the only thing that wouldn't start. Unless my four-wheeler doesn't start, then, I mean, it's cold. Oh, we're good. This thing needs gas. Oh my God, why is this thing doing this? Another thing that my four-wheeler's been doing, definitely some kinks that need to be worked out on that bad boy. My throttle sticks. Or I shouldn't even say it sticks. It literally won't go, like I have a thumb throttle, of course, which that's probably stupid that I said that, but it, like, you can't even push it. Like it literally like sticks into place where you can't push it. The other day I had to really like put some force into it to get it to like loosen up. I don't know what's going on there, to be honest with you. Never really had that issue before. Should be all right. I should be able to figure it out. But I gotta get this snowplow on this four-wheeler. See if I can get it. The other day it finally just broke loose. I don't get it. I don't, like, it's like stuck. I don't know. I'm just gonna let it sit there and warm up for a little bit. There's not much gas left either, so I need gas in it, but story of my life. But I'm gonna mount that up today, and I think I'm gonna leave the wheels and tires on it because it's just gonna look super goofy and really unproportional, and I might go like do some ice donuts down on the pond again, just because why not? So yeah, that's kind of my objective for today. So yeah, come along for this ride, I suppose. Yep, that sums up my day. Anybody know where my throttle switch went? Anybody? It's supposed to be right there. Where'd it go? Yeah, I just yeeted that thing. Literally freaking yeeted it across the freaking floor. She's done for. Yeah, I don't even know what to do now, honestly, like at all. I don't know who's gonna have this in stock. Who's just gonna have a thumb cable throttle thingamajig in stock where I can go get a new one? This, ooh, I done hecked up, guys. I don't even know where the other one went. Oh, it's right here. That's not good at all. Guys, that's not good at all. That's really, really not good. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna have to go try to find. Now I gotta go locate one of these. And the likelihood of someone just having a piece like that in stock seems very slim, to be honest with you. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. Oh God, dude, I'm such an idiot. What made me think that was a good idea? Well, it worked before. That's why I thought it was a good idea. Oh, I'm so stupid. All right, yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down and try to figure this out.
Thank you for calling Crossroads Motorsports. Normal business hours are Tuesday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you've reached...
They're not even open today? Well, looks like my money's going somewhere else. There's another one too. I don't know what that one's called either. No, I don't want directions. Just want to call. How do I call? None of them are open on Mondays? What is this? Dude, I don't want to drive all the way to frickin'... Seriously, no. I done hecked up. I guess I can go tomorrow. Is there a reason why no power sports place is open on Mondays? Am I missing? What, is there a holiday today? What's today? None of them are. Am I missing something? What's today? Is today a holiday?